Invest smart. Start small. Your 2025 guide. Investing might seem like something only rich people do, but we're going to bust that myth right now. In 2025, you don't need a fortune to start making your money grow. The key is to make smart choices and use the right tools, even on a tight budget. This guide is your map to navigate the world of investing, no matter where you're starting from. We'll break down complex ideas into easy-to-understand steps, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Get ready to discover how small, consistent actions can lead to big gains in the long run. Remember, the most important step is the first one. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock your money's potential. This is your year to make your money work for you. Let's get started. Little by little, the power of regular contributions. Consistency is the key to successful investing. Small regular contributions produce amazing results. The same goes for your money. Start with what you can afford, even if it's a small amount. This approach helps you deal with market ups and downs. Over time, these contributions add up. Compound interest makes your money work for you. Small, consistent steps lead to your financial goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification for beginners. You've heard that saying before, right? Diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. Simply put, it's about not putting all your money into just one thing. Imagine investing all your savings in a single company, and suddenly, something unexpected happens, impacting its performance. That's the risk you take when you don't diversify. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can even explore options like gold or international investments. This way, even if one investment underperforms, others can potentially balance it out, protecting your overall portfolio. Remember, diversification is your safety net in the world of investing. It's all about managing risk and protecting your hard-earned money. Investing at your fingertips, digital platforms, making it easy. Gone are the days of complicated paperwork and exclusive access to investing. Technology has changed the game, making it easier than ever to start investing, even with a small budget. Digital platforms and investment apps have emerged as game changers, offering user-friendly interfaces and accessible investment options for everyone. These platforms provide a wealth of information, educational resources, and tools to track your investments, all at your fingertips. With just a few clicks, you can open an account, choose your investments, and start building your portfolio. Many platforms also offer fractional shares, allowing you to invest in companies with high stock prices, even on a tight budget. The world of investing is now more accessible than ever before. Explore these digital platforms and discover the power of technology to grow your wealth. Section 5. Small budget, big dreams. Investment options for everyone. You might be wondering, what are my options with a limited budget? The good news is, there are many investment opportunities tailored for small investors. Treasury Direct. Invest directly in Brazilian government bonds. These are considered low-risk investments with stable returns. Savings accounts and money market accounts. These accounts offer a safe way to keep your money. Index funds and real estate investment trusts, REITs. These funds pool money from many investors, providing instant diversification at a low cost. Fractional shares. Invest in companies by buying a fraction of a share. Automated investing platforms. These platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio for you. Remember, the best investment option depends on your financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals. Do your research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Section 6. Navigating the investment landscape. Understanding risk and return. Investing always involves some level of risk. Generally, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk, and vice versa. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial before making any investment decisions. If you are risk-averse, you may prefer low-risk investments such as bonds or government securities, which offer stability and modest returns. If you are comfortable taking on more risk for potentially higher returns, you might consider stocks or real estate. Remember that diversification can help mitigate risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes. It's also essential to have a long-term perspective and not panic during short-term market fluctuations. Before investing, educate yourself about the different asset classes, their risk profiles and potential returns. Knowledge is your best ally in making informed investment decisions. Section 7. Building your financial future. The importance of patience and discipline. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results or if the market experiences short-term volatility. Stay focused on your financial goals and keep making regular contributions to your investments, even if it's a small amount. Over time, the power of compound interest will work its magic, helping your investments grow exponentially. Remember, consistency is key. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations or emotional triggers. Stick to your investment plan and adjust it only when necessary, based on changes in your financial situation or goals. Building wealth takes time and dedication. Stay the course, be patient, and watch your financial future bloom. Section 8. Seeking expert advice. When and where to find help. Navigating the world of investments can seem scary, especially for beginners. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from qualified financial advisors when needed. Financial advisors can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. They can help you create a personalized investment plan, choose suitable investments, and answer any questions you may have. Remember, it's essential to choose a trustworthy and reputable financial advisor who understands your needs and priorities. Look for certifications like CFP, Certified Financial Planner, or CEA, Investment Advisor accredited by the CVM, as marks of credibility. Seeking professional advice can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions for your financial well-being. Section 9. Start today, grow tomorrow. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Investing isn't just for rich people anymore. In 2025, with the right tools, knowledge, and mindset, anyone can start growing their money, even with a small budget. Embrace the power of regular contributions. Diversify your investments and take advantage of digital platforms to make investing accessible and convenient. Remember, the most important step is to begin. Take the first step today, no matter how small it may seem. Every contribution, every investment decision brings you closer to your financial goals and a more secure future. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take control, invest wisely, and watch your dreams come true.